guys, I have to repair my Frigidaire tabletop microwave. There are three switches here that you need to check when it's stopped. The problem on this one is when the microwave is working, the lights are on, but you don't hear the fan. The turntable doesn't turn anymore, and there's no heat. So it's still working. But the thing is, there are three switches in here. One, two, and there's another one at the bottom. I don't know what they are, but basically this one is when you close the microwave. I believe this is for the turntable and the heat, because this is the one that's broken. So let's go to the switch that I replaced. I have my meter over here that I use for continuity to check, but I didn't need to check that anymore on this one, because look at this one. Switch is seized. It doesn't come up anymore. This part right here. The good one is right here. It should look like this. See, like this little switch in there, that should be up. And when the microwave door closes, it presses this one. You engage the switch. So I don't need to check the continuity already, and you know it's already burned. That's garbage. Now let's go back to buying the parts. In Amazon, there were two of this one in here, and the original part is right here, and there's only one. There's one piece on that one. This is $24, 24 and something, free shipping. This one, there's two in here, two pieces, $7 and something. I believe it's $8 and free shipping as well. So I'm returning this one. It's free returns anyways, and I still have one spare, just in case something breaks down again in the future. All right, that's how I fixed it. Instead of buying a new one for $120, I saved $100, $110. All right, guys, thanks for watching. All right, so let's try to heat this water. So let's try to heat up this cup. Hopefully it works. 30 more seconds, just to make it 1 minute. Fan is working. Everything is working so far. Lights are on. Turntable spinning, and we'll see if it's gonna heat up that water. Open it. Take it out. High. I guess it's hot now.